8, my lord. My lord, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
You are the counsel for the
Standing counsel, responded, my lord.
28.
I've
T.
taken,
Tagum.
yes, my lord.
T. Tagum. On the prayer of Mr. T. Tagum, learned SC,
Standing counsel,
education.
yes,
Matter is listed after 2 weeks.
deeply obliged.
My lord, item number 12, 13, 14, and 15, my lord. In 12, my lord, I have filed the affidavit reply, my lord.
12.
In 12, I have filed affidavit reply. And
That means
13, 14, 15, I have to file.
starts from item 11.
No, 12, my lord.
No, item 11.
Yes, 11, yes. It starts from item 11. Item 11 is I.
13, 14, 15.
Yes.
What is it?
I have filed the affidavit reply in item number 12. And
12?
13 and 14, 15, I have to file the affidavit reply. So I may be given 2 week time for filing of the affidavit reply.
Item number 13,
14 and 15. I will file the affidavit reply. And in 12, I've already filed affidavit reply.
So and so.
Hmm.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed 2 weeks time
My lord.
to file affidavit in reply in WPC 49/2023, WPC 53/2023, and WPC 131/2023. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, there's interim order. They may be continued, my lord.
In which case?
In all the case, 12, 13, 14,
The
15.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return of date.
My lord, and my lord, I will mention a matter to list on 21, my lord.
What is the
I,
urgency?
on behalf of my lord, N. Sharma, my lord.
What is the, what was the last order?
My lord, I have not got through, my lord. I
Go
have
through
been.
and come, Monday. Go through and come, mention on Monday. Let us.
Okay.
see. Okay. We
Your
will have to
Lordship-
see the last order.
Your
Yes,
Lordship,
ma'am.
I'd like to mention item number 10.
Item number
10,
10.
yes.
My lord,
Your Lordship, the standing council is from Guwahati and
Standing council of which department? Standing council of which department?
not standing council, leading council.
Oh, leading council.
Yes, Your
leading-
Lordship. And Your Lordship, day before yesterday only, his wife has delivered a baby, so today he is unable to appear today. So
my-
I may be given 1 week.
Yes,
my lord, here, my lord, the difficulty is here, my lord, because this is the, my lord, injunction order has been issued by this honorable court ex parte without hearing, my under order 39, rule 1 and 2, my lord. So, my lord, there is a statutory, my lord, requirement that the application has to be disposed within 30 days. My lord. Here, what happened, my lord, after having obtained this ex parte ad interim order, my lord, now it's more than 4 months have elapsed already, my lord. Urgency of the matter is that, my lord, that I was undertaking construction of the house. Because, my lord, the learned trial court declined to give temporary injunction to the petitioner, my lord. So, my lord, thereafter, all of a sudden, my lord, this has been stayed. So, I have been suffering immense financial loss, my lord. The urgency is there, my lord. So, if for today, if there is a difficulty, I can concede to the request. Only the, my lord, prayer is, my lord, this matter may be fixed on the next week, my lord.
when can he come?
Your Lordship, 1 or 2 weeks may be given.
Not 2 weeks.
My lord, either 21 or 22, this matter may kindly be fixed.
Your
my
Lordship, in previous occasion, at the time we both party were agreed, like today if today my leading counsel is not able to appear, then
The other
next-
one, 6 agenda.
no, then next 1 week I would be allowed to take next date for 1 week.
Okay, Mr. Rajesh, are you Rajesh?
My lord, my lord.
Mr. Rajesh, let us give them the last 7 days.
My lord, this is
Since actually the difficulty expressed is domestic.
my lord. Then, my lord, 27, this may be the last opportunity.
No, Your Lordship, after 1 week.
This is why after 1 week, 27th of, my lord, February. my lord.
27. Your Lordship, it may be fixed on 28 or 29.
I have a difficulty on that.
So let us fix it on 28. 28.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My lord, 28, I am preoccupied with.
Then your lordship after 28th only.
After 28, it may be difficult for this court.
Then it may be on 28th, yes, I agree.
It's, take into consideration the leading counsel.
My lord,
the difficulties
28, let it be, let it. But the observation may be made on that day, this
28.
28, my lord.
28
Yes, your lordship.
on MS. This is item
Item number 10,
item 10.
I'm on behalf of BP Singh.
You are actually mentioning on behalf of Mr. Sunil
No, BP Singh.
BP.
BP Singh. Ah.
Is a designated senior.
No, no.
His name is not reflected.
No, your lordship, he is going to take over this matter.
Oh, take over the matter.
Yes.
So without filing affidavit, we cannot reflect his name.
No, your lordship, in Vakalatnama, the name must be there.
Okay, okay. MS Spencer. Submits on behalf of me.
Aram. T. Sunil. Are, BP Singh, yes,
Learned Counsel. Submits on behalf of
BP Singh.
Mr. So-and-so, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment. For some days. On the ground that he is having some personal difficulties. Prayer is allowed on condition that this will be the last chance given to the learned counsel for the petitioner. So it is made clear that if the learned counsel for the petitioner does not appear on the next date fixed, the interim order passed in favor of the petitioner shall stand automatically vacated. Listed on 28/1/2024. Okay,
Much of it.
okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your
Yes,
Lordship,
ma'am.
I beg to mention one unlisted application.
Unlisted bill.
Ye-
Why don't you list it more?
Actually, your
There is no urgency.
But your actually thing is that the Alice accused person, his examination is going to conduct from 22 Feb. That's why, Lordship. He is a student of class 12. That's why, Lordship.
22, his exam is.
Going to commence from 22 Feb
What
only.
exam?
I CBSE.
IT?
Yes, CBSE. Central Board of Second. That's why, Lordship. And moreover, this incident that concerned PS was Raga PS. That's why, Lordship. Raga PS, which was fall under jurisdiction of Zero Session and High Court, but due to the health issue of the presiding officer of the Zero, I couldn't able to file there. That's why, Lordship. This is a bit urgency.
Have you moved bail application before?
No, this is the first time. That's why, Your Lordship. Moreover, Your Lordship, he was arrested on 30 October 2023 only. That's all.
Yes, Mr. Public Prosecutor. Madam, kindly tell this court, help this court, whether actually without filing a bail application before the first
Yes, your lordship, they can,
permissible.
permissible, your lordship.
Okay, okay, well,
What?
Let me please, Your Honor.
yes, ma'am.
I beg to mention an unlisted anticipatory bail to be
Bail,
listed today.
what urgency?
Anticipatory bail
Anticipatory bail.
with regard to an NDPS case. It's a very short matter,
NDPS
Your Honor.
case,
Will not take
listed
much
on
time.
Monday, let us see. Tell him to hide. So listed on Monday.
Obliged. Your lordship, I would like to mention item number 27.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
lordship, item may be adjourned for today as we have not completed service of notice upon completed upon respondent number 2 and 3. So this item may be fixed on 13th March.
Your Lordship, perhaps they have not taken steps upon respondent number 2 and 3. Let them take fresh steps. And Your Lordship, in the last order, there are some typographical error in
Let
the.
us see the file then.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, let it come as per the list.
Yes, Your
Let
Lordship.
us see the file. Let us see the file, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention one anticipatory bail filed today, which may be kindly taken up today.
What is the urgency?
My lord, there is an urgency as
What case?
it is an anticipatory bail.
No, what case? Under what case?
It's a SIC case related. I have been summoned on Monday. Since Monday, tomorrow and after tomorrow. It's like
SIC means?
a special investigation team in connection
Investigation team in connection with what?
illegal teacher appointment case.
Oh.
Yes, I have been summoned on Monday. So
So
there is an urgency.
Appear, no urgency, no urgency. Appear. We are not going to scuttle investigation by granting any anticipatory bail. Appear before the SIC. Okay, next.
Yeah, please. My lord, this is a my lord, leave petition, criminal leave petition, my lord, seeking leave of this honorable court to allow for filing the criminal appeal against the my lord impugn order. My lord will find at page number 13, my lord, annexure 1, my lord. Annex page 1-3, my lord. My lord. This is the order, my lord, passed by the learned trial court, my lord, under section 256 of the CRPC, my lord, acquitting the accused, 3 accused person, my lord, who are the respondent herein, my lord. The reason being, my lord, that on that particular date, my lord, the conducting counsel was absent, and the complainant was also absent, my lord. On that ground only, my lord, this under 256, my lord, the accused have been acquitted from the case, my lord. So, my lord, what happened, my lord, here in this case, exactly, my lord, on 13/12/2023, matter was fixed for offense explanation, my lord. But this was the, my lord, case, my lord, the cognizance was taken on the basis of the complaint petition, my lord. My lord, the allegation.
This order was passed on the basis of the complainant's absence.
Complainant's
absence. That is what the order
This complaint was absent. That's not on merit, my lord. So the reason, my lord, the conducting counsel could not appear on that particular date is that he was on the leg before the district and session court, my lord. He was appearing for an anticipatory bail application, my lord. I have enclosed the order here also, my lord. So that's why, my lord, he could not remain present at the time when the matter was taken up before the learned trial court, CGM, my lord. So for that reason, this order was passed, my lord. And, my lord, one thing is there, my lord, the complainant was present, my lord, because from the attendance sheet also, my lord, his signature is there, my lord. The complainant was present.
Order says complainant is absent.
But that is written here, my lord. But what happened is that counsel for the complainant, my lord, he was on the leg in the district court, my lord. So that's why he could not appear, my lord.
What is learned counsel 256 CRPC?
256, basically what happened, my lord, whenever, my lord, in case of, my lord, this summon trial case, my lord, when the complainant remains absent, my lord, then the court has a power to acquit the accused person, my lord, even without further proceeding the case, my lord. So here is the case, my lord, cognizance was taken, examination of the 3 witnesses were done, my lord, and case was for the offense explanation. And on that day, my lord, without acquitting, without passing this impugn order, my lord, the learned trial court could have proceeded with the case, my lord. That was the case for only offense explanation. Otherwise, even the presence of the complainant was not required, my lord, on that particular day, my lord. But may I take to, my lord? The allegation in the case is, my lord, this respondent party, my lord, they were undertaking a, my lord, contract work inside the primary school compound, my lord. And the complainant and other villages, panchayat members, they are having agreed, my lord, because this accused person, after having criminally trespassed the school, the undertaking the construction of community hall. So for that, my lord, the complaint was lodged that construction should not be taken inside the school compound, my lord. Pursuant there, my lord, cognizance, may I take, my lord, cognizance is that, my lord, page number 41, my lord. Page number 41. Cognizance was taken on 16/8/2023, my lord. Prima facie for case for offense under section 447, 352 offense the accused special, namely so and so, my lord. The cognizance was taken up under section 447, my lord, criminal trespass and mischief, my lord. Therefore, my lord,
Yes, learned people.
Notice be issued to private hospital.
I heard Mr. Rajesh Sonar,
my lord.
learned counsel. This is criminal leave petition.
No, my lord, this is I need leave petition, my lord, because without seeking the leave, my lord, appeal cannot be
Yes.
admitted. This is a leave petition under section 378, 4 and 5 of the CRPC.
Yes. Learned counsel for the petitioners. The present petition has been filed under section 378, clause 4 and 5 of the Code of Criminal. Let's see CRPC.
CRPC.
Challenging the impugn order dated 13/12/2023,
My lord,
passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, West Siang District. Chief Judicial Magistrate,
Alo, my lord, West Siang District,
West Siang District, Alo,
my lord.
Arunachal Pradesh. Acquitting the alleged accused persons under section 256 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 at the stage of consideration of the charge. Stop, new para. The petitioner is granted leave to appeal against the impugned judgment and order passed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate Alo in CR case number 5/2023.
CR case number 18,
CR case number
18 of 2022.
here 5.
Page number one,
Come to your page 11.
page number 13.
Come
my-
to your page 11. Prayer.
My lord, must be wrongly typed, I think, my lord. My lord, kindly turn to page number 13, my lord. So, in the order sheet, my lord, reflected 18, my lord.
In CR case number 18/2023. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable in 4 weeks' time. Mr. So-and-so, learned
G Tado,
public prosecutor.
yes, additional public,
G. Tado,
yes, additional public.
learned additional public prosecutor appears on behalf of the state respondent number 4. Stop. The learned counsel, have you accepted the copy?
Yes,
My lord.
Stop. New para. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3. By registered post with AD. Within a period of,
3 days. my lord.
within a period of 3 days from today. Okay,
Much obliged.
obliged. Lord.
you please make this correction,
My lord.
please give it. Yes, take this file. Okay. Yes, ma'am, what is it? What is this?
Your lordship, your lordship, in this matter, the accused person was arrested on 09/02/2024. Your lordship, the allegation in the FIR are such that the accused person has obstructed that on-duty officer
Yes.
while performing his duty and
Yes,
assaulted
may be
him.
called for lawsuit.
Produce the case diary,
Lawsuit,
scan copy.
lawsuit.
Heard MS so. Learned counsel for the applicant. This application, stop, this application, new paragraph, this application has been filed under section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Seeking for releasing the alleged accused on bail. Who is arrested in connection with ITA PS case number 20/2024 under section 279, 186, 353 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. New para. MS Agi, the learned public prosecutor,
Lawsuit. Additional public prosecutor.
additional public prosecutor shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary on the next date fixed. Listed on-
22nd lawsuit, 22nd,
listed on,
22nd of February. Next week
22nd.
lawsuit.
listed on 27 to 2024.
22nd to lawsuit, 22nd.
What is 22nd?
To
It's so auspicious for you.
lawsuit, because next week lawsuit. 22nd or 23rd lawsuit.
Your lordship,
Okay.
it may be fixed on 21 February.
Okay, let us-
Lawsuit 20 is also holiday lawsuit, so that's 22nd lawsuit.
listed on 22 to 2024.
Lawsuit, apply.
May I, my lord?
Yes,
My lord, this application is filed under section 482 of CRPC for the quashing and setting aside of impugn order dated
12/9/2023 passed by the learned special session judge in Pasigat PS case number 98/2023. My lord,
What was the order? Let us see the order.
my lord, order, page number 29. Thank you, Lord. My lord, my contention here is that during the production of accused
wait.
person,
Just wait.
during the production of accused
Just
person,
wait. Let me read the order. Let me hear you. Yes, public prosecutor. For cancellation of a bail.
Yes, your lordship.
Kindly assist me. Whether 482 can be filed.
For cancel, your
For
lordship.
cancellation of a bail.
Yes, your lordship.
Because actually his bail has been cancelled.
Yes, your lordship.
And he is coming before this court under
Yes.
482 to quash that order.
Yes, your lordship. That, your lordship, they can come because the order of bail order are interlocutory in nature.
Okay.
So revision doesn't lie, your lordship, because it doesn't affect the main proceeding, your lordship.
Okay.
It lies, your lordship.
So you produce the case report.
Your lordship, LCR has to be called for because
No,
your lordship,
that's fine.
yes, your lordship.
10 copies.
Yes, your lordship. Because your lordship, it's very apparent that on the first day of production, perhaps there was 3 cases registered under the register against the accused under NDPS. So in this present case, your lordship, earlier the accused has been granted bail in case number Pasigat PS case number 10 of 2022. He has already been granted bail, and then subsequently one FIR has been registered under Pasigat PS case number 98. And during the production in that case, that bail was cancelled, your lordship.
That previous
The
bill.
previous bail.
yes,
That, in fact, your lordship, the record itself clearly shows that, your lordship, this is not the procedure, the not proper procedure has been followed by the learned court below. Because the cancellation has to be done in the same application and notice has to be given to the accused. Here the order, your lordship, I have gone through, the peruse the order. Here it,
Produce the LCR. Let us
yes,
see.
your lordship, call for the LCR, your lordship.
my lord,
Okay.
my lord,
Your accused is
uh,
Yagi
Yage Yompang,
Yangpang.
yes, alias Nung Padung.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Nipara. The present application has been filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, seeking for quashing and setting aside the impugn order dated 12/9/2023 passed by the Learned Special Court, NDPS Pasigat, in PSG case number
10,
98/2023,
yes,
by which the bail of the alleged accused, Srimati Yagi Yangpong,
yes,
has been cancelled.
Your lordship, which was granted in Pasigat PS case number 10 of 22. The bail was granted in 10 of 22, which was subsequently cancelled in other cases. So all the records is required, your lordship. Record pertains to, your lordship, Pasigat PS case number 10 of 22 and Pasigat case number 98 of 22. And one more case is there, your lordship.
Yes,
Even
the learned counsel, the learned additional public prosecutor, you are public prosecutor.
additional public prosecutor.
The Mr. So-and-so, the learned additional public prosecutor shall produce the scanned copy or will it be?
Your lordship,
copied?
registry may be directed because it's the LCR, your lordship. Registry will produce.
You take steps with the registry.
Your lordship may direct the registry to produce the, your lordship, LCR.
You want to make your work lighter. The registry, the learned additional, please cancel. The registry shall take steps to call for the records of
Pasigat PS case number 10 of 22.
STST.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship. In PSG, in
PS,
PSG, PS 10/22, under section 21, bracket small a of NDPS Act. And other is,
comma,
yes,
the
Your
other one,
PSG, PS case number 98/23. Here, Your Lordship, section is not been provided.
and
And Your Lordship,
PS case number.
PSG PS case number 102/2022, under section 21B, small b of NDPS Act 1985. 3.
well, what was the last para? Heavy? Of case number so and so, from the court of the learned,
Special Court, Pasigat.
from the
Special Court, Pasigat, East Siang District.
Special court, Pasigat,
Yes, East Siang District.
Young District,
East Siang.
East Young
East
District. Listed after 4 weeks. Will it take time? East Young District.
1 week, Your Lordship, will suffice.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
My lord, interim may be.
No. Under NDPS, let us see. The prayer for interim shall be considered on the next returnable date.
Deeply obliged.
My lord,
Same, Your Lordship.
my lord, same.
Same, except for the accused. Except for the
Same accused, Your Lordship.
Same-
Here, Your Lordship, bail granted
accused.
in 102.
Just wait, huh?
Yes.
Just wait. Just wait, learned PP for the. Same accused,
Yes,
same accused,
yes,
same Yagi, this one.
yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So same order?
Same order, Your Lordship. Records are same only.
Okay, okay.
Obliged.
Your place.
Yes, please.
This is an anticipatory bail,
Okay.
and here the complainant is the eldest brother, and the victim and the complainant is the eldest brother, and the accused is the fifth
Victim
brother.
and
The complainant, that means the victim, he is the eldest brother, and the accused is the fifth brother.
accused is the
Fifth brother,
fifth brother,
fifth brother.
biological brother,
But they are step brother.
step brother.
Step brother. The fact is that there was an ancestral land, especially in Chambang town, which is a commercial land. And this father died intestate without making any will, Your Lordship. Thereafter, the land was occupied by this complainant, the eldest brother. Despite of having many attempts, the matter could not be solution because entire brother wanted to share that property. So it took almost 10 to 15 years to settle that issue. At that time, the accused was minor boy. So later on, despite of trying again and again, the matter could not be settled. Lastly, now this accused, who is pursuing his education at the second semester at Himalayan University, lost his control and he set fire to the car which was parked in the garage.
He was?
Set fire to the car which was parked in the garage. Set fire, which turned into ash. That is the allegation here. So it was done out of arrestation.
Yes.
Later in Your Lordship,
Yes,
the matter was
yes,
totally,
yes.
it was resolved. The agreement was drafted.
Mr.
Thereafter, the land was equally distributed
so-
among all brothers. And
Learned
Your
counsel for
Lordship,
the- I've heard you, I've heard you. Learned counsel
and
for the-
also the complainant was adequately compensated, Your Lordship.
I've heard you, I've heard you. Learned counsel for the applicant. New para, the present application has been filed under section 438 of CRPC, praying for enlargement of the accused person, namely Jamru
Yes.
Marco
Mark,
alias Topa on anticipatory bail. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, heard the learned counsel for the applicant, and also perused the petition. It appears that the Palan Police Station case number 22/2023 under section 380, 457, 427/436 IPC was registered against the present applicant. Consequent upon a land dispute between the applicant and the complainant in the case. Stop. MS T. Jenny, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned additional PP shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary
On 1st of March, Your Lordship.
on 1/3/2024. On 1/3/2024. Stop, new para. In the interim, 3 areas bail is granted to the applicant on the following grounds. 1. When can you report before the police station?
next week,
Give a date.
next Wednesday.
What is next Wednesday? Give a date. Give a date.
28.
28.
The applicant shall appear before the officer in charge /IO Palan Police Station on 28 to 2024. Number 2. In the event of arrest of the applicant, he shall be released on executing a bail bond of rupees 10,000 with a surety of a like amount to the satisfaction of the officer in charge, Palan Police Station. Number 3. The applicant shall appear before the OC/IO Palan Police Station, IO of the case as and when summoned and shall cooperate with the investigation. Number 4. Failure to abide by any of this condition shall lead to the cancellation of the interim bail listed on 28 to 22. Okay.
List on 1st of March, Your Lordship.
Or list on 1/3/2020.
Oblige you.
What is this again? Yes,
Yes, my lord.
there are similar cases.
Yes, my lord. In similar case or in this case, there is a pending case, my lord.
Pending case means
Yeah, they have filed one writ petition, my lord, which this honorable court has issued a notice, my lord. But regarding that earlier other cases, my lord,
The same petition has filed another writ petition.
yes, my lord. Only notice has been issued, my lord. In
What
that
is
case,
that
my lord.
writ petition?
That writ petition number is just 68 of 2024.
68 of 20,
2024. In the,
68, 2024.
yes, Lord.
Listed on,
Lordship,
listed on, I'm
On-
not giving you any stay.
Lordship,
Frankly.
Lordship,
Listed on Monday, along with,
Monday, my lord, 4, my lord.
Monday is holiday.
No, my lord.
Don't say that every day is a holiday.
My lord. My lord, while not granting stay, my lord, in that case, my lord, your lordship was of
I want
opinion
to
that.
list this case along with this WPC, the 68/2020.
Yes, my lord. Lordship, in fact, lordship, in that repetition, lordship, I could not annex the supply order because it was not issued to me.
This fellow, the respondent is already supplying.
Yes, my
No,
lord.
lordship,
Yes. No, lordship, it is about to be completed. Work not has been started. lordship.
Listed on 19, 19/2/2024, along with WPC 68/2022.
And lordship, currently, observation may be made that on the day, the interim order will be considered.
No.
Because
No observation, next.
My lord. God bless you.
Yes,
May your Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is a head constable serving on the police department for the last 19 years. The case of the petitioner herein is that, Your Lordship, the memorandum containing article of charges and statement of imputations of misconduct was served upon the petitioner, Your Lordship, for holding an inquiry. And thereafter, inquiry officer was appointed and inquiry was held, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, the petitioner was furnished with the inquiry report. And accordingly, the petitioner has submitted his representations denying the charges, Your Lordship. And basing on the report of inquiry officer, the disciplinary authority has imposed a penalty by withholding for service increment of the petitioner with cumulative effect by impugn order dated 19/7/2023 or 22, Your Lordship. That is in page number 39, Your Lordship, and Annexure 4. So thereafter, Your Lordship,
what are the orders impugned? Let us see.
Lordship, that is in page number 39.
What are the orders impugned? Chronologically, take me.
Lordship, the operative portion is in last second para, Your Lordship, page number 39, Annexure 4, page 39. Order dated 19.
Where is the impugned memorandum, which page? 17/12/2021.
Impugned memorandum is in page number 20, Your Lordship.
Just wait.
Page 20, Your Lordship. Annexure number 1.
Page 20. This is
The
OM.
charges,
OM. This is regarding articles of charges.
yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. OM dated
17th
17,
December 2021.
2021. The next, your next inquiry report.
Lordship, that is in page number 16 is furnishing of inquiry report. Page 28, starting from page 28.
28. This is
Lordship.
that inquiry report.
Lordship.
dated- Just wait, huh?
16 June
Just
2022.
wait. Inquiry. This is inquiry report dated 16/6,
June
2022.
22, Lordship.
Well, your impugn order withholding for
Holding a penalty of, that is in page number 39, Annexure 4,
page 39. This is
impugn order,
order withholding increment.
Lordship. with cumulative effect.
Yes. Withholding increment. Okay, and the next,
Next day after your lordship being aggrieved,
your rejection,
rejection is in page number,
where's that first rejection? Page
46, your lordship,
Page 46.
annexure 6.
Rejection of your appeal.
My appeal, your lordship. That is order dated 3rd October 2022. And the
And?
last, your lordship,
Rejection of the revision.
revision is at page number 52, annexure
Page
8,
number?
52,
Page 52.
lordship.
Rejection of.
Dated 16th January 2023.
Okay, we'll pass the order. Chairman.
Lordship,
Your interim order to be considered on the next returnable date.
lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
Item number.
Yeah, please.
Yes. What is
My
this?
Lord, this is issue is pertaining to selection and appointment of dealership outlet retail of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. My Lord, may I kindly see the manner and the procedure they have adopted in ousting me from the race. My Lord.
Your LPC itself was defective?
No, my Lord. Because in our state, my Lord, there is no
Who's for the other
system
side?
of patta.
My lord, I am for the respondent number.
Yes, Mr. M. Kato, you were always slippery.
My lord.
Somehow I'm managing to get you today. These people, Union of India, they strictly go by their terms and conditions
We have,
in selecting a dealership.
my Lord. But then, my Lord, may kindly take a note of.
You have actually submitted a defective LPC and thereafter you have actually submitted an LPC which is post-dated, I believe.
My lord, other
No, my lord.
respondent, they have their own standing counsel.
My Lord, may kindly
We are not representing on behalf of them. my lord.
come to pace, my Lord. One seven, my Lord.
And what is 117?
This is the certificate that was issued when I have filled the application, my Lord. This is of dated 26/9/2023.
This is what you have submitted.
Yes, initially, Lordship. And kindly, Lordship may take a note of the
Is this an
reference.
LPC?
This was on process, but in this land district revenue and settlement land
No,
revenue.
no, no, this is issued by, but this is a certificate to whom it may concern. This is not an LPC as I understand, which is prevalent in the state.
My Lord, why I am saying, my Lord, land which I have offered is as it is as on today also. The SPCL are not saying that this land is not feasible, Lordship. Now, kindly, Lordship, why I am referring this page number, kindly see at the left top, Lordship. There is a number BR2464 /590105.
This is the certificate number.
This is the certificate number. And this entry, it was already made, the survey number, by the DLR also. Now kindly come to the certificate, Lordship. That is at page 130, Lordship.
This certificate 130 was submitted after the rejection?
No.
After moving you down from 1 to 3?
No, my Lord. When I applied for the retail SIP.
Mr. Leonard Counsel, kindly just apprise this court which certificate you have submitted along with your e-application.
Page number
LPC,
117.
Which land certificate?
117.
117. Okay, I understand. Okay,
Now,
the next.
Next, kindly come to page 130, Lordship. Because in our state, Lordship, there is no patta system, Lordship.
170, I'm sorry,
130.
117 is the land certificate.
Lordship.
Then after that, you want to take me to
130, Lordship.
100?
page 130, Lordship.
120.
30. So this is the final form of land possession certificate. Whatever Lordship,
120.
130, 130.
130.
Now, this is of the same land, Lordship, that I have offered.
Page 130. LPC.
When I have submitted the application, Lordship, this is the same land which I have offered. No changes. Only at that time, there was a certificate from the district land and revenue settlement officer.
How does the respondent know that this is the same land? How does the respondent know?
Kindly come to down below, Lordship, page number.
130.
130, down below, remark number, kindly come to.
Remark number here 2464.
Correct, exactly, Lordship. So this is the same survey number.
Here 2464 59
Lordship. This is the same survey number indicating that the land is the same, which I have offered initially when I have applied for this retail outlet lots. Okay. Now, when they have, Lordship, rejected my offer.
By which letter or order your offer was rejected?
Page 127, Lordship.
127.
127.
Very good. 120.
Basically
just wait,
Huh.
just a little slow.
127.
Just wait,
Lordship.
just wait. Let's be a little slow. Yeah. So you were found eligible for group 1 and you were relegated to group 3. Correct? By this order, by this letter.
By this letter. Actually, Lordship,
You were found not eligible for group 1
1,
and you were relegated to group 3.
group 3. Actually, there are 3 groups, Lordship. That is defend on.
Are you impugning this order, 127?
Pardon, Lordship.
Are you impugning this order,
Lordship.
127?
Lordship. Now, basically, Lordship, in this impugned rejection order, that is at page 127, kindly see, they have taken 2 regions, Lordship.
Yes.
One, they are saying, Lordship, the appendix 3 submitted
Yeah.
in the name of applicant, whereas it is mentioned
Mentioned.
sister's land in the application. Now, dear brochure itself, Lordship, it says this is curative. That I'll show you, Lordship.
Let us see your 117 again. 11, is it 117? That land certificate?
Land
117.
certificate
117.
117, Lordship.
Let me just see. 117. The
At this,
petitioner is Nang Wongti Chaupao.
correct, Lordship.
The petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. And this is
And let's see the LPC.
supported with the 119 is the sketch map also, Lordship.
No,
Kindly that
130, let us see 130.
130,
LPC. 130.
Lordship.
Miss Nang Wangtina Chaupao.
Same petitioner, Lordship. And kindly also, Lordship, may be pleased to peruse the sketch map, Lordship, that is at page 119. This is the same sketch map 119, which I have offered when I have applied by submitting application. Land has not changed, Lordship.
Just let us see this 127. Page 127.
127, Lordship.
What serial number 3? The
Serial number
appendix 3
3.
submitted in the name of the applicant, whereas it is mentioned sister's land. What is this?
Actually, Lordship, while submitting the application, mistakenly, in place of writing self,
Instead of
writing self, SELF,
you
self.
wrote sister. That will crucify you.
But then, Lordship, may I take you that format also? Otherwise, everything is perfect, Lordship. And secondly, Lordship, they are saying, page 127, that the land documents submitted is not valid. How do SPCL say that, Lordship? It's because we do not have patta system. We used to have a land possession certificate that is
No.
issued by the Deputy Commissioner.
In the requirement, it
Huh.
is stated that in the state of Arunachal Pradesh,
Lordship,
LPC submitted by the authorities shall be accepted. It
Lordship.
is there.
Huh.
And you have not submitted the LPC in the first instance.
At that time, it was under process, Lordship. But then survey number is same. When sub-
Will issue notice?
Lordship, if-
What's
if the-
the next impugn order? Any other impugn order besides 127?
page 131, Lordship.
131. What is 131? This is dated.
Rejection of my representation, Lordship.
This is dated
Dated
7.
7 February, Lordship. We have received it through email. Lordship,
And this is actually sent on 3rd February.
3rd February, Lordship.
So which date do we take? 3rd February?
3rd February, Lordship. So, Lordship, if in such cases, if there is no interim order, Lordship,
Also, the land document initially submitted in the online application is not valid. It is mentioned straight address, which cannot be considered at any cost. You have moved to group 3, where you will get an opportunity. See, your LPC is after the date of application. That is what I was saying.
they are saying that, Lordship. But then same district land settlement officer who issued the survey number, at that time it was under process to issue the LPC.
See, the requirement is an LPC, not a certificate.
But
And the respondents, they will strictly go by the terms and conditions of the requirement.
but then Lordship,
There's no question of but then.
if Lordship
On
periods,
the day of submitting your application,
Ah.
you have not submitted the LPC. Whose
Lordship,
fault is it?
Lordship, at that time LPC it was under process, Lordship. But then the land is same, Lordship, which I have offered. No changes.
Will issue notice?
Lordship, if interim is not there, Lordship, tomorrow again there will be go for second round of lot, that is for group 2. In view of that, this will be automatically become in practice, Lordship. At least, Lordship, till returnable date. Let
What
them
is your
come
prayer?
and,
Let us see. What is your interim prayer?
pardon, Lordship,
What is your interim prayer?
8 page, Lordship,
Status quo,
status quo, Lordship.
election of. Okay, Mr. M. Kato. You are not the council.
My lord, I'm not the council. I'm only for the respondent number 1, my lord. In whole, my
Respondent-
lord, my lord, to
Union,
make a fair submission, my lord. In Balianamas petition, my lord, nowhere, my lord, the mention about any allegation against the respondent number 1, my lord. And because of that reason, my lord, which makes me more sleepy, my lord.
he is representing secretary to the Ministry of Petroleum.
You are for respondent number?
1 only.
On, Lordship.
My lord, nothing has been mentioned, my lord, made allegation against, my lord, this respondent number 1.
So this is,
Otherwise, my lord, my lord, everything was done by the other respondents, my lord.
who are the other respondents?
Respondent number,
HPCL?
my lord.
Something
SPCL,
like that.
Lordship.
So therefore, my lord, even my appearance may not be required, my lord, in such case.
Yes. Okay, we require your appearance.
My lord.
This is a government of India enterprise, my lord. So always this has to be represented by Ministry of Secretary to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Lordship, Union of India.
There is no, my lord, single
What
statement.
happens if status quo is granted? No load will be drawn for this job, for this work,
for
for this
group-
dealership.
For this group 1,
No load will be drawn.
no lot will be drawn.
This group 1 consists of several dealership or only one?
No, Lordship, let me clarify. All the applicants, they have been categorized in 3 groups. Suppose group 1, those applicants who have their own land and who offer their own land. Or if suppose the land is of their family also, it can be offered.
No, this is for setting up a petrol pump where?
at West Kameng district,
No,
Arunachal
where-
Pradesh.
more particularly the place.
More particularly place is Lordship will find that at
US.
serial number 41.
This from Dawa Hotel.
Yes, Lordship.
This is the place where the pump is to be set up. Dawa
Yes,
Hotel,
Lordship,
Ismail
Lordship.
2 Hotel Sangeet.
Lordship.
Nidam.
In between that, in National Highway.
Okay, we are granting you status quo.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
We are giving you status quo.
Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
Yes, what is this case again? What is your prayer? Let us go to your prayer. Excuse me. Some papers. Give me some paper. Paper. A4 paper. Oh, too much. Thank you. Let's see. Yes, what is your impugn order dated 25/1/2024? Take me.
My lord, after RTI Commissioner, Arunachal Pradesh Information Commissioner, after
Take me to order dated 25/1/2024. Let us see what is it.
my lord, page number 47, 48. This is
This is order dated
25/1/24. This is subsequent order, my lord. Earlier,
This is order dated. Please don't move fast. This is order dated.
25/1/24.
This is the last order passed.
Yes, my lord.
What does it says? Let us read. Please read.
The PIO has appeared before the commission and submitted that he has already furnished the sanction order which are available with him. He has further stated that the responsibility of the Director Panchayat Raj, Government of AP, Itanagar is limited to transfer of fund grant in aid to the different DPDOs in the district, and once fund is transferred, work are executed by concerned executing agencies such as DPDOs and BDOs, and hence no record of PFMS payment details from bank are maintained in the Office of the Director PR Itanagar. The appellant is represented by Mr. T. Shiva, advocate. Appellant's representative has pleaded that details information regarding PFM as payment details should also furnish to the appellant. The commission, after hearing the submissions of both the parties, observed that PIO has already provided the information sanction orders which are available with him, and that the documents which is not available in the office or which is not under his control cannot be disclosed, and resultantly there is no disclosure obligation on the PIO. The commission further notes that since information sought by appellant is not available in the office of the Director Panchayat Raj Itanagar. RTI application should have been transferred to the concerned officer in the district. Having observed above, the commission direct the PIO office of the Panchayat Raj Itanagar to transfer the RTI application to the DPDOs of all the district within 1 week from the issue of this order and send the compliance report to the commission. This is, my lord, order.
What is wrong with this order?
My lord, earlier order dated 24/11/2023, the commissioner passed order directing the Panchayat Raj Department to furnish the information sought for in Form A application. Already order was passed. After passing or giving information, the commissioner has no power to revise his own order. This 25/11/25 is
Let us see
something.
25/11, let us see. Whether it's
24
the final order or not. What is the page? What is the page?
Page number 30 and 31. Page number 30 and 31.
This is not the final order. This says hearing the case. Hearing of the case is adjourned to 25/1/2024. What is the finality of this order?
Finality of this order, Your Honor, Commissioner, respondent number 1 has
Have you,
already.
have you seen this? Hearing of the case is adjourned to 25/1/2024.
This
There's no
is-
finality to this order.
Already order is passed for giving information. But
That is why this information was given with a direction to the respondent number 2 and 3 to supply the information.
yes,
Correct?
yes,
And accordingly, information has been supplied.
no information.
So you are aggrieved by that information which has been supplied to you. And thereafter, the director, thereafter the information commissioner has passed the last order. What's wrong in that?
No, my lord, this is illegal order.
Why
Once
illegal?
my lord, once order is passed, the commissioner has no power to revise it. Because my inform,
I am actually telling you that you are actually making a submission as if actually the commission has passed the final order on 24/11/2023. Whereas this is not the final order because it says that the hearing is adjourned to 25/1/2024. It's
because
not the final order.
final order, my lord, my RTI application is directed to
Who is
forward.
appearing?
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3. And who are the other
For one,
respondents?
Your Lordship, for Information Commission, Your Lordship, they have their own standing council.
Okay, we'll issue notice. Take down the names. You are for, ma'am?
2 and 3, Your
You
Lordship.
are the standing counsel for?
Your Lordship, I'm government advocate.
Oh, you are government advocate
Yes.
for respondent number 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
And who is one?
One is standing council for.
Okay. Okay, we'll issue notice. Okay, we'll issue notice. We'll pass on.
Item number 16 and 17.
My lord, I am praying for disposal of this matter.
Why disposal?
My lord, there is an urgency. This poor fellow has been suspended since 2022. And then till today, the state has not taken any steps. My lord, the fact of the case in nutshell is that, my lord,
You are under suspension.
I am under suspension. My lord, kindly see. Page 16 is my suspension order.
16.
1616. Seven, 17 is typed copy, my lord. Whereas the case,
16.
yes.
Just-
18 October 2022, I have been put under suspension, my lord. Then, my lord, what happens is, now the law, my lord, I'm pausing for a moment to assist my lord
Yes.
to a finding. Now, my lord, what happened when a officer is put under suspension under sub rule 2 of the rule 10 of the CCS rule? If he is arrested on a criminal case, then within 90 days period, in terms of section 10, subsection 6 and 7, he need not require any constitution of the committee to review the suspension order. But the question falls, my lord, after a person is released from the jail, then within a period of 90 days, you ought to convene a review committee meeting.
Correct.
Then you have to put him on suspension. In this case, this has not been done, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 18. It is by order dated 10 January 2023, I was released on bail. Then, my lord, kindly come to page 20. On 10/1/2023 itself, pursuant to my release from the jail, I have submitted a representation. And from there, my lord, no action. And then, my lord, will see page 22 and 26.
Page 22 and?
Page 22 to 26. A memo of charge was framed against me.
Okay.
That is 27/1/2023. Then, my lord, I have submitted a copy of written statement on 10/2/2023. Now, my lord, only the question is, for the last over 306 days, more than 2 years, more than 1.5 years, my lord, my suspension has not been reviewed. And still, I am put under suspension. And such action of the respondent authority is a flagrant violation of Article 14, 19, 21 of the Constitution of India, my lord. And these, my lord, for not reviewing my suspension order by constituting a review committee by the appointing authority per se, the disciplinary authority, my lord, is nothing but a flagrant violation of the law laid down by the apex court in Ajay Chaudhary, and which has further been reiterated, my lord, by this honorable court in Katina of judgments. And one more important case in this matter is the Prasanta Datta versus State of Assam, my lord.
This Ajay Chaudhary is relating to this duration of suspension.
Duration of suspension. Para 20 and 21, my lord. So therefore,
Yes, Mr. Government Advocate,
My lord,
you file your affidavit.
my lord,
We are giving you last chance.
my lord, my lord,
We are making an observation. At least, I think we need the government affidavit.
my lord.
Though the law is in your favor, insofar as the suspension is concerned.
my lord, poor fellow is suffering for the last 1 year.
know, my-
Kindly appreciate that also.
At least, you're the government advocate.
My lord, I'm standing counsel for
Or-
education department, lord. Education department, my lord.
Why don't you advise the education department on the
My
law
lord, kindly
by
call for a
My lord,
Honorable Supreme Court?
my lord,
So far as suspension is concerned, there has to be a review committee.
my lord, in this regard, my lord, CCS conduct rule, my lord, has been amended in 2022, my lord.
Okay.
As per that amendment rules, my lord, the period that has been extended, in case it is deemed suspension under clause 2, my lord, of rule 10, then it's 2 years, my lord. 2 years period has been extended. Earlier it was 90 days.
And you mean to submit that within these 2 years?
Yes, my lord.
No review committee need to sit.
My lord, in this case, my lord, already the article charges has been already served upon, and now the discipline proceeding is going on now, my lord.
Okay.
It's not a case that this can be extended when it is article charges not framed, it's not served upon. My lord, here case, my lord, The article charge has been served. Now discipline proceeding is going on, my lord. Now the cumulative length for duration for suspension is 2 years, my lord.
2 years.
Now here, that is after release of the accused from the jail, my lord. The accused released from the jail only on the 10th January 2023, my lord. The year after, my lord, the next 2 years, my lord. The period, cumulative period we have as per the latest amendment, that is after the Ajay Chaudhary, my lord. The Ajay Chaudhary case is before prior to the amendment of 2022, my lord. It's a 2015 case, my lord. So now situation
relating to submission of charge.
Yes, ma'am. Now here the charge has been, the memorandum article charge has been served. Now disciplinary proceeding is
Tara,
going on, ma'am.
Did the government file affidavit?
My lord, let me clarify. If I read down the submission of the standing council, learned standing council, probably there is some difficulty of interpretation of the 2022 notification by my.
See,
I
Mr.
can
Tara,
demonstrate in 2 minutes.
This Ajay Chaudhary speaks about non-furnishing of the charges.
Yes, ma'am.
Charges have been furnished.
But
What is that but?
But in case of person who is under prison in jail, if he is released from the jail, then
Okay,
they
I
count.
think we will
My
need.
lord, I am on the verge of retirement, my lord. Kindly
we
see.
will need a
Only
proper-
1 week.
We will need a-
Otherwise, let the
we will
secretary
need a proper
education come.
hearing. You file your project your stand.
My lord, 2 weeks,
Wait,
my
wait,
lord.
No, my
within
lord,
2
I,
weeks.
with great respect, I object to it, my lord. Kindly 1 week.
Mr. Tara, I think in this profession, we have to be very generous because some days,
No, no.
sometimes it is you who may fall in this situation. So at least there should be proper give and take. We have to be generous. See,
No, my lord.
he is also not asking for some very unreasonable time like 3 weeks, more. He says only 2 weeks.
My
Let's
lord,
give him-
my lord,
let's give
rationality.
him- Let's try your
My lord,
case.
my lord, there is a rationality. The word rationality.
What is that rational?
Rationality, I'll take on two perspective.
No, we will
First-
not hear you. We will hear you on
first
merit on the
first
ground of
the-
rationality.
My lord, rationality is that
Okay,
they have
Mr.
been
T.P.
taking
Tara,
adjournment after adjournments without
Learned
filing
counsel
the
for
affidavit, my lord.
petitioner. And Mr.
P. Tagum, my lord.
P. Tagum, learned standing counsel for the
Which
school
date?
education
Which date? I'll
department.
take fixed date. February,
On the prayer of Mr. T. Tagum, the learned standing
No, no.
counsel for school education department.
28 February.
2 weeks' time is granted.
My lord, 28 February,
2
kindly.
weeks' time is granted to the petition, to the respondent to file their affidavit. Stop. It is made clear that if no affidavit is forthcoming on the next date fixed, the matter shall be
28.
posted on the basis of materials available on the court.
Correct.
After 2 weeks.
List on 28. my lord.
Mr. Tara, don't have the cake and eat it too. Yes, next.
Everything is fair to the
Yes,
justice delivery system.
this is item 18. Okay.
In 18, my lord, on 9th, government was directed to furnish instruction as to why the required no objection certificate has not been issued to the petitioner.
Yes, madam.
Yes, I have received the instructions, Your Lordship.
Ah,
They have said that, Your Lordship, after receiving the application by the petitioner for issuance of NOC, Your Lordship, they have verified whether any encroachment has been done by the petitioner or not, Your Lordship. So as per the verification report, Your Lordship, the petitioner's husband, Your Lordship, he has encroached upon the government land and he has also constructed an RCC building, Your Lordship, over it. So, Your Lordship, as per order dated 25/2/2020 issued by the Department of Vigilance, Your Lordship, they have not considered the case of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
okay. Will you file your affidavit? Will you file your affidavit? We will list it for you.
Your Lordship.
But
Lordship.
kindly take note of the fact that the order and the circulars issued by the government
Lordship.
is against the pension rules.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that will not stand in the way of granting pension to the petitioners, but for the ends of justice, you are given one opportunity to file your affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship, this honorable court has also, Your Lordship, disposed, has directed Your Lordship in earlier similarly situated cases, Your Lordship, to release the pension, Your Lordship. And one of such orders has been
Yes,
annexed
I
by.
have seen.
Yes,
I
Your
have seen,
Lordship.
but whether that order exists or not, You
that-
cannot, the government cannot stop somebody from getting the valid pension.
Yes, in that line, your lordship may pass an order, your lordship.
We will give you opportunity. We will not dispose just blindly like that. At least we will let the government file the affidavit.
My lord, can I take note of one thing? My lord, the petitioner's husband, who was in service, died in the year 2021. Since then, she has not.
It's all right, it's all right. You are also an encroacher.
My lord, no, I'm not an encroacher.
That is what the government says.
Look, there are documents.
MS so-and-so. The learned government advocate is granted 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Stop. New para, and endeavor shall be made to hear and dispose the case on the next returnable date. File your affidavit.
Obliged.
Item number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Your lordship.
Case diary. What does the case say? What is this case about?
What has happened, your lordship? The accused in this petition had prepared almost a number of 8 sanction while from the deputy commissioner's office, while fraudulently taking up the signature of the deputy commissioner, your lordship. While the sanction orders were in process, your lordship, when this came into the notice of the authority and they have filed the FIR against him, your lordship. Now, on the first occasion, your lordship, when the matter came up on 4/1/2023, your lordship, the accused was granted bail, interim bail, your lordship. Since then, this matter has come up for the 4th time, your lordship, including the first is the 5th time, your lordship. He has not been cooperating, your lordship. He has not even appeared before the IO.
He has not even appeared before the IO.
Yes, your lordship.
Madam,
On the last occasion, your lordship,
automatic cancellation.
Your
Yes,
I
Your
have
Lordship.
appeared more than 5 times, but even I gave my one session statement also, your
No, no,
lordship.
your lordship.
And on 12 January 2024, I have executing my bail bond of ₹25 also, your lordship.
You have executed bail
Yes,
bond.
exactly, your lordship. I have the receipt, this thing or everything I have.
Yeah.
No, no, your lordship.
But the
My
IO is not-
status is clear, your lordship. His statement, when 41A notice was sent, your lordship, his statement was recorded at that point of time, your lordship.
Has not appeared before me, for my OC. But he says, she says, she has the receipt.
No, your lordship. On the first day, when the matter was, he was to appear on 24th, your lordship. What his
24th?
explanation,
24th?
January, your lordship, when the interim was granted, your lordship. What their explanation was that we had called via phone to the IO, and IO said that he's not presently at the station. You come another day, but then he forgot to come on the other day, and therefore the honorable court was pleased enough to grant him 3 more times to appear, your lordship. On all the dates, their submission till date is that we have gone on so and so date, the IO was not present, and therefore.
Let's
Yes,
see
they
the
were.
orders of the court. Let us
Yes.
see the orders of by this court. The first order is
On
24/1/20.
24,
Ah,
your lordship.
okay.
4/1/2024.
Then the next is
24,
1/2/20. Let us see what does the 1/2/20 says. 1/2/2024. Considering the submission made, I find there will be one more chance to appear with one more chance to the IO. And he could not appear before whether he is ready to is granted one more chance. Okay, so this is on. So this was on 1/2/2024, correct?
yes, your lordship.
1.
No, your lordship will first see that the matter first came on 4/1/2024.
So
Thereafter,
second
second is on
secondly, 1/2/2024.
24/1/2024.
24. First is
4/1/2024.
okay. First is 9/1.
Or 9/1, your lordship.
9/1/2024. The second is
24/1/2024.
24/1/2024. Okay. The third one is
1/2/2024.
what does 1/2/2024 says? The appellant appeared before the IO on 25/1/2024, but his statement was not recorded by the concerned IO. One, two, 2023. Be one more chance. 7, 3, 4. Let us do like this, madam.
Yes, your lordship.
He has not appeared. That is what your submission.
Yes, your lordship.
Let us give him one more chance.
Yes, your lordship.
If he does not appear, automatic cancellation. Okay, mind you,
Okay. Your Honor, on this 27 or last 27 also, I had appeared before the
No,
IO,
we are-
but it's not ready to date the issue, Your Lordship.
we will pass the order.
I appear more than 5 or
Okay.
6 times, Your
We
Lordship.
will pass the order. You appear on that day. We will also direct the IO to record your statements.
Okay, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
whatever necessary. And then on the next date, if the direction given by you is not fulfilled, then we may have to cancel your application. If you appear,
Yes.
then this code may be generous. Okay,
Then Your Lordship, kindly that the applicant was appeared along with counsel on it, because Your Lordship, thing is that the applicant has appeared more than 5 times. But whatever they are going,
Fair-
I
fair
don't know,
enough,
that's the thing,
ma'am.
Your Lordship.
Fair
They
enough.
are-
Your Lordship, if they are alleging that their statement on appearance has not been taken up, Your Lordship, they may take along any counsels along.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant. Heard MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant. And Miss T. Jenny, learned public prosecutor for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that in terms of the order passed by this court on various dates, the petitioner has appeared before the IO to give a statement. However, for one reason or the other, no statement could be recorded. So on the other hand, MS T. Gini, the learned additional PP, by referring to the letter dated 16/2/2024 submitted by the IO, submits that the applicant has failed to appear before the IO as directed by this court. And therefore, necessary orders may be passed, cancelling the interim order dated 9/1/2024 granted by this court and the subsequent order of extension. After hearing the parties, after hearing the parties, this court deems it appropriate to give one more chance to the applicant to appear before the IO of which case? The IO,
DMKPS,
IO, Duimok PS
yes, case number.
in connection with PS case number
Two
two
of
slash 24
24.
under section 468
IPC.
IPC. Stop, new para. The applicant shall appear before the IO, Duimok PS on, we give 2 dates. We give 2 dates.
Your Lordship,
On
19th and 21.
on 19 to 2024 and 20 to 2024 along with his counsel without fail. for the purpose of
22
recording statements as required under law.
Your Lordship, on 19th and 21, Your Lordship, because 20 is the statehood day, Your Lordship. There will be,
Nine-
20 is the statehood day, Your Lordship.
Okay, 19 and 21 to 20, okay, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
21 to 2024.
Your
What was
Lordship
the
may,
last sentence? What was the last sentence, ma'am? Stop. It is made clear that if the applicant does not appear before the IO as directed in this order, the pre-arrest bail granted on 9/1/2024 and the subsequent order of extension shall stand automatically cancelled. Listed on
23rd, Your Lordship.
23 to 2024. Okay, okay, ma'am,
Yes.
kindly cooperate.
Meanwhile, CD may be returned back. Deeply.
Item number 20.
Same.
No, another accused.
What is
The
the
different case, Your
Your
Lordship.
Lordship,
different case?
Yes.
yes,
Your Lordship,
on 5/2024, the Honorable
Just five
Court has
to-
granted
just-
interim bail.
Pre-arrest interim bail was granted and Your Lordship, accordingly, she appeared before the IO and the statement has recorded also. Statement recorded.
So cooperating.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what is your submission?
Your Lordship, since she is cooperating, the custody may not be deemed required. The allegation is regarding the taking away of a LCD TV from the resident of the complainant, who is the alleged to be brother-in-law of the accused, Your Lordship, as per the statement.
In which court is the case pending?
It's investigation stage, Your Lordship.
Investigation is on.
Yes.
Heard. MS Renzo, learned counsel for the applicant. And Mr. T. Ete, am I right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The learned additional public prosecutor for the state. Stop Nipara. By the order dated 5/2/2024. Pre-arrest bail was granted to the applicant on certain conditions. Comma, one of the conditions being that the applicant shall make herself available for interrogation by the investigating officer as and when required. Stop. Mr. T.A.T., the learned additional public prosecutor for the state, submits that in terms of the order dated 5/2/2024 passed by this court, the applicant is cooperating with the investigation. The applicant has appeared before the IO
And 12/2/24.
on 12/2/24.
24.
12/2/24.
Yes, and recorded her statement.
And recorded her statements and is cooperating with the investigation. So, new para, since the applicant is abiding by the order dated 5/2/2024. and cooperating with the investigation by giving her statement before the IO. This court considers that it may not be necessary to order custodial interrogation of the applicant. Stop. In that view of the matter, the order dated 5/2/2024 passed by this court, granting pre-arrest bail, is made absolute. Stop. The terms and conditions incorporated, the terms and conditions, however, incorporated in the order dated 5/2/2024 shall continue to bind the applicant. The application accordingly stands disposed. Okay.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Number 21.
May I play, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, item number 21, my lord. May I just take to the operative person, my lord?
Just contain.
Yes, my lord.
Contain.
Yes, my lord. Well, in this case, well, I'll just take to the operation person, page 65.
Page
65. Order dated 8/9.
Page 65.
Yes,
Correct.
yes. It's starting for 37. May I just take?
Yes,
the
please,
basis?
yes, please. Page. This is starting from
It's starting from 37.
37 to 65.
65, my lord. Annexure 1.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. May I just read
37 to
page 65.
Yes.
Yes, may I read
Para?
para 10, my lord. Now, in view of the above impugned bill dated such and such, amount such and such, impugned bill such and such, dated 23, such which was prepared on the basis of board processing such and such, was sent. Accordingly, it is now, my lord may see up to 3 line.
Accordingly,
Accordingly-
please read down.
Yes.
Please read accordingly.
It is directed that the acquiring authority, more particularly respondent 4, shall deposit the assessed amount of such and such only in the account of Deputy Commissioner Anjo, respondent number 3, within period of 1 month from the date of the passing of order, and respondent number 3, Deputy Commissioner Anjo shall disburse the same to each of the beneficiary within a period of 15 days after the deposit. Well, after this order, my lord,
Just wait, just wait.
may I just place?
Just wait, just wait. Let me also see what this is. This is order dated 8/9/2022.
Yes, my lord.
Correct.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, respondent number 4, the acquiring authority has deposited the amount, my lord. I've just plowed this.
Respondent number 4. Who is respondent number 4?
The border road organization, my lord. This is, my lord, amount was deposited on 29.
Just wait, just wait. Respondent number 4. R4.
Yes, my lord.
Just wait, please wait.
Page 30 and 31.
Respondent number 4 is the deputy commissioner.
4 is the deputy commissioner, and my lord, acquiring authority is respondent 1 and 2.
Just wait.
1 and 2.
Just wait, okay?
Now, acquiring authority has deposited the amount on 29 of
Acquiring authority is the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. This amount has been deposited 39 crores,
Yes.
94 lakhs,
Yes, madam.
1,900 and.
Yes.
Okay.
Has been deposited on 29/01/2024, my lord.
29, where is that date?
I have just, my lord, in next, I have given the, that receipt, my lord. Next page, yes. Next page, my lord.
No. In this?
Yes, my lord. Next page. Next page, my lord. Next page and the right column.
On the
29/09/2024. Payment advice, my lord, may I see.
date
Date is in the
blank.
29/1/2024.
Where
Right.
do you see that?
Right,
29/1/2024.
Right side, bottom.
29/1, then what happens?
And then just, yes,
Then
my lord.
circular has been issued by the deputy commissioner.
Yes, my lord.
Uh,
Otherwise, after a deposit of amount, the due date is 13th February. They should have disbursed within 15 days. If you count from 29/1/2000.
No, what is this 8 February? It is.
Yes, 8 February, it says that money will be disbursed on 28 February 2024, my lord. As per the deputy commissioner, my lord, respondent number 4.
Just wait. In the judgment residential compensation for utilization of the land. Compensation of the land will be made to the beneficiaries to check payment at deputy commissioner's office on 28/2/2024.
Yes, my lord.
So what happens thereafter?
And now still,
Yes,
yet to
Mr.
pay.
Pin.
After receiving the amount from the central lawsuit, we already fixed a date on 28 of this month. Disburse the amount also to the.
28/2.
Yes,
We are yet to reach 28/2.
yes, we just propose we have fixed this particular date for disbursement. We have received the money, then we are disbursing it.
So I think.
In view of this, it can be closed.
my lord, otherwise due date is 13th of February.
That's
Why
all
they?
right, that's all right.
Yes.
But it is not that the government is sleeping over the order.
Yes, my lord.
The government, both the central as well as the state government, I think
Yeah.
they are taking steps.
Matter of 15 days only.
So
Then, my lord, it may be observed that they make sure payment on 28/2 and then they file compliance on 1st of March, my lord. That may be. It can be fixed on 1st of March so that they file the compliance. my lord.
disbursement, will it take 1 day? 1-2 days?
Only-
Yeah, but that
only
is for
check.
disbursement.
Yes.
That is disbursement.
Yes.
But will the disbursement be possible within a day or two? This amount is huge.
Only check has to be issued, my lord.
You are eager to get your money.
But
At
no,
least let the
it has,
government, smoothly do the discharge of work.
it has been delayed, my lord. That's what I'm praying.
Lawsuit will be doing on the same day.
Yes,
Because beneficiaries are limited.
Okay. So we still keep the case open still.
Yes, my lord.
Can be lawsuit, but since we are assuring lawsuit, in view of this lawsuit.
Okay, on the assurance, we close the case.
It can be closed.
You actually like the disbursement is on 28. We give them a week's time. That the disbursement should be completed not later than 7 days from 28. We give that and then we close. With this direction, we close the writ petition. Okay?
I think there is
I think that he has made a very fair submission. He has made a very fair.
Or maybe matter can come up with 7 days so that they file a compliance. Otherwise, because they are also delaying, this is also an issue in this matter, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Kato,
My lord.
you have nothing to say.
My lord, we have been under pressure for the deposit of the amount by initiating this complaint, my lord, the contempt case, my lord. Accordingly, we have deposited the amount, my lord. Now the deputy commissioner is, my lord, holding the, my lord, the deposited amount, saying that, my lord, they already, as per the notified, my lord, they wanted to disperse them, my lord.
Okay,
But
heard.
the lawful impediment is, there is a minor obstruction. The one gentleman is coming time and again to us, that, to hold the construction work. So therefore, at this stage, the non-disbursement of the deposited amount as early as possible. Maybe because of that reason, the petitioner is approaching However, there is another one person is still creating say, hindrances to the smooth constructions of the work. So therefore, the early disbursement and the other compliance of the order passed by the honorable court is at this stage required. That's because the one.
Okay, we close the case with the direction within 7 days. Okay,
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 3, Secretary Land Management.
please take down all their names. Take down all their names.
In that case, without disposing of the matter, if the deputy commissioner is asked to disperse the amount as early as possible.
Within 7 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Within 7
And
days.
in the meantime, if
Okay, 7 days more than enough. He says. But we list the order after 28. We list the case after 10 days. 7 days we give them for disbursement.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we pass the in that light.
Okay, my lord.
Please take down their names. Okay. Okay.
Deeply
obliged. And item number 22.
Yes.
22, my lord, it might be maybe list after 2 weeks, my lord.
Item 22.
Yes.
Item 22. The same. This is also
No, they're different, my lord.
no
It has-
with. So it will be listed together.
No problem. Then
Okay.
let it come.
It is with analogous. It is listed as analogous. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Obliged.
Item 23. Yes, madam. 23.
Yes, Lordship. I'm for the petitioner side.
Yes.
We have taken the step already, and the opposite party has to file the reply.
Lordship, I am appearing for the first time, your lordship.
Sole respondent.
Lordship,
Sole
sole respondent. I will file wakalatnama by Monday, your lordship.
Okay.
I have
Mr.
instructions.
So and so. Your good name?
AK Singh, your lordship.
AK Singh. The learned counsel submits that he will be appearing for the respondent, for the sole respondent, and will be filing his power within a period of 3 days from today, listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Item number 24.
Your Lordship, affidavit has to be filed by the respondent.
Yes, madam.
My lordship.
You're
we
for
have-
the state.
Yes, my lordship. For respondent number 5,
For respondent number 5.
we have received the instructions, my lordship. We'll be
Okay,
filing.
very good. Mr. M. Kato. Well, where is Mr. M. Kato? Union of India. And you're for Land Council? Four.
Land Management Department.
Your Lordship, it has been almost 7 months since the copy of the
Yes.
petition has been.
Mr. M. Kato.
My lord, our affidavit is under preparation, my lord.
Very good.
8 weeks time may be granted, my lord. We'll file.
How much week?
8 weeks time.
8 weeks?
My
Your
My lord,
Lordship,
by that time, my lord, everything will be finished, man.
we give you 4 weeks.
My lord, 4 weeks again.
8 weeks, I think it'll be
Again,
unreasonable.
it will again send to the ministry for waiting, my lord,
But
again
I
coming back.
think
And then,
8 weeks, it'll be very, very unreasonable.
my lord,
We give you 4 weeks time. If you have any difficulty, you can always make a
my
mention.
lord.
Your lordship, this matter has been already quite delayed. It's
This,
been,
what? This matter has been?
I mean, we submitted our affidavit to them for almost 7 months. It's been 7 months now, almost.
You are for the?
Petitioner.
You submitted your affidavit. What affidavit?
Petition, the
Petition,
copy of the
Your Lordship.
petition.
Okay, it's all right. We give them some time at least.
2 weeks, your lordship, at the most.
This is also compensation.
My lord.
Yes, your lord.
Money matters, just be steady, you will get, but be steady. Okay. Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSGI. MS, Mr. Your good name? So and so, the learned standing council. Land management. Land Management Department, and MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate, for the respondent number 5. 6 for 4 weeks' time to file the respective affidavit. No. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Okay.
Much obliged. Lordship,
Yes, ma'am.
In here, we have to file the reply, for that, need some more time.
Okay, okay, ma'am, but let us just see, because office note shows that only respondent numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10 has filed their affidavit. Who are the respondent number 1 to 6?
I have applied for respondent number 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Yes, that is management department.
Just with respondent 1 and 3. Will it be necessary for you to file the affidavit?
No,
Not necessary. What about the others?
I am for 2, my lord.
2, will it be necessary for you to file? No. What about the others? You are for?
My lord, I'll appear for 4 to 8, my lord. 4 to 8, my lord. We have filed affidavit on.
4 to 8.
Yes, lord.
You have filed your affidavit. You have
Yes.
filed your affidavit.
Yes.
Correct.
Your lordship, I am for 9 and 10.
Power grid. Are you filing your affidavit?
Already filed.
Already filed. So I think the affidavit has been filed. All the
Yes, my lord.
affidavit.
The
Correct.
affidavit of 7 and 8 will cover rest, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Your good name, I'm just forgetting, Mr.
The Kanduk.
The
Kanduk.
Kamtuk,
Yes, sir.
the Learner Standing Council for the Power Department,
No, no, land management department.
Land Management Department. And
El permi for
so and so for the respondent number,
2 million.
for the respondent number 2,
Power department.
submits that the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4 to 8, correct?
Yes.
Will cover the case.
7 and 8.
Seven and 8, correct?
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
7 and 8, 7 and 8, man. 7 and 8 will cover the case. So respondent number 9 and 10 has filed the affidavit. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Affidavit in reply to all the affidavit in opposition,
Yes, already, they already filed.
which has already filed.
Yes.
MS so-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Lordship, this may be list for, admission hearing.
Oh, where do you file your affidavit in reply first? 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Your lordship, being a council form outside with a particular date may be given.
What is 3 weeks after?
3 weeks.
We were praying for 28th of February if possible. If not, a particular date may be given after 3 weeks, whichever.
Okay, okay, 3 weeks, it's all right. Let the first file affidavit in reply, thereafter we'll file a fixed date for hearing. All right.
I think about 26.
Lordship.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship, here also we need some time to file the reply.
same case.
This is
More
not
or
the
less same
same
case.
case, not same case.
MS so-and-so. Who are the respondents who have filed?
I'm for the petitioner.
Yes, who are the respondents?
I'm respondent number 2.
Okay, you file your affidavit.
Yes.
What about the others?
I am for 1, my lord.
You file your affidavit,
Our affidavit will not require, my lord.
not required. What about? Not required. So here only the affidavit of this power grid
my lord.
State one, you are for three. Whether one and three, what is the case about?
Case, my lord, they are paying compensation, my lord, normally
Compensation.
need to be paid by the respondent number 2, my lord.
Okay, only after the respondent number two piece, then your job will come for disbursement.
Disbursement also, my lord.
Those assessment they have done.
No. That is why this respondent number two is yet to deposit.
Yes.
That is. And respondent number two has filed affidavit.
Yes,
And what is your stand in the affidavit?
Your Lordship.
So just give me submitting gist.
Lordship, because I'm not prepared. Your Lordship.
Yes, you just come casually.
So,
Huh? You want to file affidavit in reply?
Yes,
Affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number two.
yes.
Two.
Yes.
MS and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 for 3 weeks time. To file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number two. Where is allowed? Listed accordingly. Okay. At least flip through your files and come.
Lordship, I have one mention.
Yes.
There's one 567, Your Lordship, of 2023. It's against Power Grid, sir.
It's
we are filing the counter. It's fixed for filing our counter affidavit. So we are filing it today, and the same may be listed together, Lordship.
okay. When that matter is called, we'll list it along with this.
All right. Because it was supposed to be fixed within 3 weeks of the last order. But
Okay.
it has-
When that matter is fixed, we'll
Okay.
list it along with this.
All right.
Okay.
Highly
Hello.
appreciate.
My lordship,
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner, your lordship, and your lordship, we have not, sir, service of notice is not completed upon respondent number 2 and 3.
Oh.
So some time may be given to
Two
us.
and three.
They have not taken steps.
Why? You are not interested, we'll dismiss.
No, your lordship, we have taken, but it's delayed for 2 days from our side. That's why registry, they are not ready to take it. So your lordship, some more
What to
time may
do?
be given.
Let them, your lordship, take fresh steps, and your lordship may kindly see the last order. Your lordship,
Call for the LCRs.
yes, your lordship, perhaps your lordship, that is inadvertent typographical error, your lordship, not LCR, your lordship. It should be CD because matter is under investigation. It should be CD, your lordship. So, your lordship, that may be
This
corrected.
is for quashing a fire.
Yes, your lordship.
Maybe I think this is against the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes, I have relied the judgment, which is a part of the record that
Anyhow, well,
yes.
I think there is no interim.
No interim, your
Yes.
lordship.
So will you take steps, ma'am?
Okay.
You take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3.
3, yes, your lordship.
Fresh steps.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
And your lordship, matter may be fixed on 13th of March because counsel of this particular case is coming from the Delhi.
Okay. Why for this case? You import counsel.
Because this is a company
Why-
case.
why?
That particular company that council is representing in entire India.
I have seen that Arunachal has efficient lawyers. Very efficient lawyers. MS so-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be again allowed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 and 3. Correct?
2 and
Where
3.
is allowed? Listed after 3 weeks.
Particular date, lordship,
List-
13th March,
Steps shall be taken within
1 week,
within a period of 7 days from today. Listed on
13th March.
13/3/2024. Okay.
Your lordship, regarding case diary, your lordship, the call for the case diary, your lordship, because it's reflected LCR, so there is a confusion in the registry also because
Stop, continue order, okay? In the order dated in the 29/1/2024. It has been inadvertently observed that LCR from the lower court should be called for. Stop. Instead of LCR, call for the case diary. Scan copy?
Yes, scan copy of
Scan
case.
copy of the case diary.
On
Okay.
next date, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 30.
This is, okay.
Item number 30.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have filed one bail application under section 439 of CRPC.
439.
Yes, Your Lordship, for the release of the alleged accused person, Sri Mili Tariq, who was arrested on 30/10/2023 in connection to Raga PS 1423 under section 302/34 IPC.
You are charged with a murder.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have murdered somebody.
It was actually not a murder, but circumstances. That's the
Circumstances that man
actually, Your
died.
Lordship, the real version is that, Your Lordship, the accused person, he is the elder brother of the victim girlfriend only, Your Lordship.
Victim,
Girlfriend.
the dead
This is-
person, the dead person is a girl.
No, this was a boy, but he had a love affair with the sister of the alleged accused person.
Okay.
That's the issue, actually, Your Lordship.
So the accused had actually murdered this man.
No murder.
So why 302?
That, Your Lordship, actually, the accused has assaulted him 2 or 3 kicks only. After that, he left the place of occurrence. But the circumstances says that he left that place of occurrence with his sister only, Your Lordship. After some time, there is a call that the health condition of the deceased was
Maybe
unconscious.
the
That's all.
injuries inflicted on the disease was fatal. That
Yes.
could be the reason. If immediately after your assault,
Yes.
this man had died, I think the injury inflicted was fatal. Of course, I'm not the doctor, but I presume that.
Yes, Your Lordship. That's the issue, actually, Your Lordship. Then, Your Honor, on 30 October only, he was arrested. And now the charge sheet has already been charge sheeted, Your Lordship. Moreover, Your Lordship,
What is the stage of the case?
it was on that,
Evidence?
no, it was supposed to be on that trial on.
Charge sheeted and
Charge
pending
sheeted.
trial.
Yes,
Pending trial.
committal, it's about to be committed before the district and session just 0. But the judge is out of station, that's the issue, Your Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in fact, if Your Lordship come to page number 48, Your Lordship.
Forty-eight.
Yes, Your Lordship, his production through online mode has been fixed on 19/2/2024, Your Lordship.
19 to,
2024.
you are reading which page, ma'am?
Page
46?
number 48.
Oh, 40.
48. He's under judicial custody, therefore, Your Lordship. Now, if Your Lordship at this stage may call for the LCR, scan copy of the LCR, Your Lordship.
Only problem is his exam is on 22nd.
Yes, therefore I have pointed out this, Your Lordship. His appearance is on 19/2/2024. Therefore, even if the LCR is called on this date or prior to this date, Your Lordship, there will be difficulty on the part of the magistrate, Your Lordship. Therefore, I pray that the LCR may be called on 21, Your Lordship.
21 and then 22nd exam.
Exam, Your Lordship, because on 20th, it's a holiday, Your Lordship. The difficulty itself is that, because if Your Lordship calls on 19,
Is he seriously studying in jail?
Pardon?
Or else is he seriously studying inside the jail?
No, it's not
He is
a
not
most
studying,
but
then
that's
what is
why,
the
Your
point?
Lordship. But Your Lordship, he is a regular student. At least
He's a regular student. Just by being a regular student, this court may not be inclined to grant bail. Only thing is that if he's really serious to sit for his exam, then in that case, some consideration may be there.
But Your Honor, the parents, they want to appear him for the exam. That's
It
the.
is not the parents who is going to appear for the exam. It is
Moreover,
the
Your Honor,
alleged
charge
accused
sheet
who will
has
be-
already been charge sheeted, so there is no requirement for alleged accused person. Moreover, Your Lordship, in this case, 4 accused person was there. Rest 3, they were declared as a juvenile, so they have granted bail
That's
by the juvenility. Only the accused person, he among Your Lordship. With any term or
where is
condition, Your
that
Lordship.
this exam schedule certificate or that he is a student? Where is that?
Your Lordship will come to page number 17, Your Lordship.
17.
It's
17, huh?
17 is
Money
a,
receipt.
Your Lordship will see he has gone for a readmission, meaning thereby that he has on the previous occasion has failed the.
What is this, madams?
This is money received with regard to registration, Your Lordship will see. In the third line, there is a admission, new admission. He is a readmitted student, Your Lordship. Then you'll.
So readmission when? This receipt is dated?
1/6/2023, Your Lordship.
Where are you getting that date, ma'am?
The signature down below, Your Lordship, signature
Oh,
of collector.
1/6/2023.
Thereafter, Your Lordship may come to page number 15.
Page 15. Ah,
This is the schedule of the examination to be held, Your Lord.
second. From when to when?
From 22 to 2024 to 28/3/2024.
From 22 to
2024 to 28/3/2024.
this is the exam routine.
Routine, Your Lordship. This
Then
the-
where is that admit card?
Your Lordship is page number 15 only.
18?
15.
15. Oh,
Yes,
15.
this is the
Okay,
admit
okay.
card.
Okay, this is the admit card.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is the admit card.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where have you stated that the case has been charged sheeted? Where have you stated?
Your Lordship,
Your Lordship will find the charge sheet at page number.
in my petition is para 7. And Your Lordship, it's in the page number 18.
Page?
Number 18, 1/8. Annexure 4.
Page 188. Fine.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why did you not move this application before the district and session judge?
Your Lordship, the presiding judge of the district and session judge 0, he's leave on his health condition. Actually,
On?
health condition.
Till today?
Yes, Your
In
Lordship.
fact,
Last time.
in fact, if I may clarify that, Your Lordship, the Honorable Session Judge is having some health issue. He's on leave. However, certain in charge might have been given to the other authority, Your Lordship, magistrate. Because even in this, Your Lordship will see, they have not till date filed any bail application. If a bail application is to be moved, Your Lordship, it will certainly go to certain courts, Your Lordship, if one of the court is absent on leave on that day.
You come with information on 18th.
Your Lordship.
18. Come with information whether any officer has taken charge.
Yes, Your Lordship.
18, Monday.
No, Your Lordship, it's not.
18. Or 19. 19. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Your Lordship. My only difficulty here, why I was pointing out is, if the matter was to be listed on, if seeing the emergency, Your Lordship, it was listed on 19, the record will not be available because the case itself is fixed in the lower court on 19th through a VC mode, Your Lordship. Now, if the matter is to be fixed on 21st, the 22 the exam starts, Your Lordship. That's the difficult.
So if the matter is listed on 21st,
21st, Your Lordship.
then asking you to actually make inquiries as to whether anyone is taking charge will be.
19 on 19, I'll be taking the instruction, Your Lordship. In that case, if the matter is fixed on 19.
Ma'am, we list it again on 21. Let us see.
Your Lordship, till that interim bail may be granted.
That's what-
So actually, so that.
Even
we can
even the
at least-
final order of this court will only be interim.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
listed again on 21 to 2024. Okay, 21, we will see, Let the public prosecutor also come with all the instructions.
Yes. Deep breath.
Not just 29.
Your Lordship, on 29, if the direction is given to me in the order, Your Lordship, that the public prosecution.
Okay, the MS Tijini, the learned additional PP shall come with necessary instructions.
Direction, if if any court has been in charge,
Shall come with necessary instructions as to whether any judicial officers has taken charge from
Sessions Court 0, Your Lordship.
from the Sessions Court 0 and also on the case.
Yes.
Your Lordship, last occasion, we tried to file before the Chief Judicial Magistrate. Then the Chief Judicial Magistrate stated that there is a direction, but there is no official notification. That's why we didn't file before that, Judge.
Circumstances must have changed.
Yes.
madam.
Okay.
Deep breath.
What is this case?
My lord, this matter also relates to payment of compensation, my lord. But in this case, what happened is that money also deposited, but then Deputy Commissioner has included few of the beneficiaries. They were not part of the notification. So we challenge that order of Deputy Commissioner.
Okay.
So, but in this matter, a private respondent also appearing, my lord.
Private respondent number?
526. 526,
526.
and then my lord, respondent number 1 and 4 is the RS Nabom, additional advocate general is appearing in this matter.
Okay.
So in fact,
No one is appearing. You are only challenging the additional inclusion.
Yes, my lord. In fact, the preparation was done by some of the beneficiaries, and Deputy Commissioner has included them, my lord. That is on the challenge.
What about this? There are private respondents also.
They are also appearing, my lord. They have filed affidavit, my lord.
Their names are included.
Yes, they have.
This is whether all the affidavits have been exchanged.
Yes, my lord. We have exchanged, my lord.
So why actually?
The government also they have filed, my lord. Private respondent also they have filed, and we also filed the counter affidavits.
Then why no one is appearing?
Yes, my lord.
I think they still don't want to give you that money.
My lord.
What to do?
Then, my lord, maybe next date maybe fix, my lord. On March 12.
Mr. Sunil, you are Sunil Mo.
Yes, my lord.
Then the council appears for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents. Listed again on 12 March 2024. Stop. An endeavor shall be made to hear and dispose of the case on the next returnable date.
Obliged.